What up, HVAC people? This is WW HVAC. I am owner of Washington AC and Heating right here in Katy, Texas. Today, I'm breaking down the most important contractor level vocabulary that every HVAC business owner must know. Let's do sales and estimating. So you have proposal and estimate. That's detailed documents showing recommended work and pricing. You also have SOW, that's scope of work, exact tasks included in the job. We have upfront pricing, that's fixed pricing with no surprises. That's actually what I use in my business. You have good, better, and best options. That's a tiered estimate that increase conversions. You have load calculation. You got the manual J, determines proper system sizing. You have the manual S, that's equipment selection based on the load calculation. You also have your manual D for proper duct design. Change order, that's a written approval for extra work outside the original agreement. You have that with government work and project managers a lot of times. Close rate, that's the percentage of jobs approved after the quote. Cost of goods sold, direct cost of equipment, that's parts and labor. Let's talk about financial and business vocabulary. You have your gross margins, that's profit after equipment, parts, and labor costs. Net profit, money left after all business expenses. That's your net profit. Markup versus margin. Markup is how much you increase costs. Margin is the profit percentage. Overhead, business expenses as insurance, fuel, rent, CRM software, payroll, taxes. You got cash flow, money moving in and out of the business. Break even point, that's the minimum revenue to cover all expenses. Accounts receivable, money owed to you. Accounts payable, money you owe to your vendors. P&L statement, that's a profit and loss financial report. Now let's go over operation and staffing vocabulary. You got dispatching. That's who assigns the calls to techs based on the skill and location. KPIs has key performance indicators. That's a metric to track business performance. Truck stock and inventory control. That's keeping parts organized and accounted for. Onboarding, that's training new techs into your processes. Standard operation procedures, that's your SOPs, step-by-step guidance for consistent service. Call capacity, number of jobs your team can handle daily. Billable hours, hours that can be charged to a job. You got unbillable hours. That's window time, what we call travel time. You got meetings, callback, downtime, training. NTE, not to exceed. That's a limit authorized by property managers for repairs. Let's go over customer communication vocabulary. Diagnostic summary. That's a clear explanation of inspection that we found when we did the diagnostics. Deferred maintenance, neglected maintenance causes issues. Lifetime costs versus repair costs. Replacement versus repair value. That's a conversation. Value proposition, why your company is the best solution. Warranty terms, labor warranty, parts warranty, you got the manufacturer warranty, comfort concerns, hot spots, humidity, noise, airflow, financial option, monthly payment instead of upfront costs, customer journey, steps from the first call, quote, and job follow-up. You got the quote, the job, and the follow-up. Let's do vendor, supply house, and logistics vocabulary. You have the distribution house. That's a supplier providing HVAC equipment and parts. You have a territorial manager, what we call TM from the supplier. That's your rep who helps you with pricing and support. Co-op money, manufacturer funds to help market your business. Back order, lead time, how long until the equipment arrives. You have freight charges, shipping costs for equipment or parts. A warranty claim, submitting paperwork for reimbursement. RMA, that's a return merchandise authorization, approval to return parts. Purchase order, that's what we call a PO. It documents authorizing equipment for purchasing. Let's go over marketing and growth vocabulary. SEO, that means search engine optimization, strategizes to rank on Google or other website engines. CTA, that's a call to action, phrase telling customers what to do next. Conversion rate, percentage of website visitors who contact you. Retention marketing, emails, texts, and reminders to keep customers long term. CRM software, that's a software like Jobber that organizes your business. Customer relationship management. Branding, how customers recognize your company. Reputation management, getting and replying to Google reviews. Reply to all your Google reviews, good or bad. Lead funnel, how new customers enter your business. This video is sponsored by Jobber, the CRM software we use at Washington AC and Heating. If you're a contractor trying to grow, Jobber helps you send estimates and invoices professionally, schedule your technicians, collect payments faster, send marketing campaigns and maintenance reminders, quarterly maintenance, annual maintenance, biannual maintenance, customize however your customer needs it. You can manage your customer and jobs in one place. So click on the referral link to learn more about Jobber. You also get a 14-day free trial and a special discount if you use my referral link. Now let's land this plane. HVAC contracting is more than tools and equipment. It's understanding the business language that drives your company. The more you master these terms, the more confident and profitable you become. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep growing. All right, HVAC people.